Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it's look like. You see, it's looking great. Let's try to create it. At first, we need to create these shapes. These shapes are some rectangles. You can create them easily by going to shapes and create a rectangle. And after creating that, hold Ctrl and Shift to make a copy of them and then align them. Okay, after doing that, we come to something like this. What shall we do? We shall write the text. You see, it's easy to write the text after writing text, but some of you may think, okay, let's write the text, for example, here. If you want, please, for example, write a text here. Okay. If you want to write a text exactly that up, you can't. When you write the text right here. But when you press some enter, the text go to the place you want. Okay. After creating the text, what we are going to do, we are going to make these things as colorful as one. The hint in the coloring this thing is that to use the colors of one row. For example, use the color of this row only, this column only, or this column only. We use this column and do the coloring. After that, this text can easily created by Overdrive Sunset font. I teach you how to install it and it's a free font. After doing that, we need to add some shadow to this thing. We add them shadows. And after adding shadows, we select this thing and the text and make them group them. Let me just ungroup them and then group them. After grouping each of them by itself, we create a copy of this slide and select all of them. And after selecting all of them, go to shape format and align them center and align them middle. Now you see your first slide is also ready. Now set the transition to morph. Now enjoy your presentation. If you like it, please tell me in the comments and like and subscribe. Have a nice time.